chaos of Mahishasura. The creation of Durga Mata, the epic battle. Long ago, Mahishasura prayed to Lord Brahma for many years to get a special power. This made him believe he could rule the universe, thinking women were not strong enough to challenge him. Mahishasura attacked the heavens, driving out the gods and taking over their places. The gods combined their powers to create Durga Mata, the mighty warrior goddess. To defeat the demon Mahishasura, each god gave her a powerful weapon. As Mahishasura tried to escape, Durga Mata raised her trident once more and struck him down, ending his service forever and bringing peace to the world.